So my name's Katie and this is Heidi, and we are going to try and bake a BB-8 cake. I have a recipe for a simple white cake here, and we're going to do the baking today, and then we're going to let it cool down and we'll do the frosting tomorrow. So we have 2 pans and all of our ingredients hopefully, and we have our recipe which we'll read and then we'll try and follow. Right, Heidi?
Yep.
Okay, so it says we need white sugar. Do we have sugar?
I think those are it.
That's it, that's right. We need half a cup of butter. Right there. We need 2 eggs. Good. We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Uh-oh.
That's vanilla.
All right. But at least we have 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, we can use it again. Put it back in your pocket. We need flour. We have flour.
Good.
And we have baking powder.
Oh, yeah.
We have milk. Now, we don't have regular milk because we can't eat regular milk, so we have almond milk. And it should work. Well, yes, sometimes you can't either, right. Okay, so the directions say preheat oven to 350. Alright, so let's preheat the oven to 350.
Mom, we're going to put that pan into the oven right now.
Not right now. We gotta check and make sure there's nothing in the oven. And then we start preheating it so that when we're ready, that will be ready. Grease and flour the bowls, or the pans that we're gonna put in there. Okay, well, that's too messy. So, we're just gonna spray it. Get a good coat on there. All right.
First time doing this.
I'll put that away. Okay. Now it says in medium bowl, cream together sugar and butter. All right. Well, our butter is still a little bit hard.
Yeah.
So we're going to use the big KitchenAid to do that. But that's part of what we need. It says we need 1 cup of sugar. All right. So to the 1. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You want to tell me when to stop?
Yeah. Stop.
All right. Level it out.
Shake
Maybe just a little tiny bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like our cake sweet, right?
Yeah. Do not really. Well, let's just try and shake it.
That's pretty good.
Yep.
I think that's about a cup.
I can't wait to try this. Pour it into the bowl.
All right, we
Okay,
gotta pour into
yeah.
that one over there.
Okay.
Got it?
Wait, first we need to put our stool.
Okay.
Uh-oh. It's okay. I got it.
We'll have to get another one or we'll have to clean it off. Okay.
Whoa.
There we go.
Shake.
And now we need our butter.
After this, I'm watch the video.
Not roll. And 1 stick of butter.
It's like you need sugar all over it.
Good. All right. So now we gotta cream it. Normally I can do this by hand, but I really don't want to because it's super hard. Okay, so watch out. This is gonna start moving and make a noise.
Wow. Whoa, getting all sugared up.
Good. All right. There. Get it a little
Smells
bit
delicious already.
Of course, it's sugar.
Whoa. Faster, faster, faster.
Okay, we're gonna let that go.
Next one, Mom.
Beat in the eggs 1 at a time.
Okay.
All right. Now we got 2 eggs here. We'll put them in here. me get a knife.
Why don't you crack it on the, like this?
I want to make sure I don't get any shelling. Okay. You want to go put that in the sugar?
Oh,
Look at that. That's good. Okay.
whoa.
I'll turn it off and let you do it first.
Oh.
Now we'll turn it back on. Yep. There you go. Now let's go get the other one. Don't leave it there. I said leave it.
Sorry.
All right. Another egg. You want to go do it or you want me to do it? Alright.
Stop.
Get all that goodness in there. Alright, just a couple clicks. Watch your hands.
Whoa.
Okay.
One in the level 4.
That's fine. Okay. Combine flour and baking powder. Alright, so how much flour do we need? No, over here. We need 1.5 cups of flour. So, here's 1, here's a half, so that's 12.
So 12.
Yeah.